Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Halloween. And on this video I'm going to show you how you can make this really awesome looking Halloween decoration, which is a pumpkin with a cat silhouette at the front, simply out of some scrap pallet wood and a little bit of paint. Okay, so for this project I'm just going to be using a few pieces of this scrap rough looking pallet wood, and I just needed enough to make up the width of the pumpkin. So then I drew a couple of straight lines to define the area where I'm going to draw the pumpkin onto the wood, and for that I'm using the speed square. So then with a pen I went ahead and drew the shape of a pumpkin, a rough shape, onto the wood, ready for the jigsaw later on to cut out the shape. And I added a stalk at the top. So now I need to attach these three pieces of wood together. So I need to cut a bit more pallet wood and put these on the back to act as brace supports. So I turned over the pumpkin and squared up the edges. I decided to add two of these braces across the back. So I added plenty of glue. And then with some small wood screws I attached these braces, making sure that the screws were not too long and that they wouldn't go through to the other side. And now the same for the top. And I want this to last, so plenty of glue and plenty of screws to make it nice and solid. So now I'm going to use the jigsaw to cut out the pumpkin shape. And I'm also going to cut through those braces at the back. So I just took my time here on a slow setting, and if there was any areas that I wanted to change, I just changed them as I went along. So now to add the silhouette of the black cat. So I have a little scrap of wood here, and again I'm going to just use a pen and freehand draw the outline of a cat. And I drew it with quite a long tail, but later on the top of the tail broke off, so you'll see later on the tail ends up being quite a bit shorter, but it still looks good. And again, using the jigsaw just to carefully cut out this shape. And then I gave everything a good sanding down with an 80 grit sandpaper, and I made sure to go around all the edges just to round them off and make everything nice and smooth. And I gave it all a hand sanding just to finish it. So then it was time to start painting. I started off painting the cat, and I'm using water-based paints here. So a couple of coats of black paint for the cat. And then I mixed up a shade of orange for the pumpkin. And I used a green for the stalk at the top of the pumpkin. So now I wanted to add a foot to go at the back of the pumpkin, and this would allow it all to stand up. So I cut a length of old 2x3. And then I mitered both edges just to make it look a bit neater by around 30-35 degrees or so. Now I just needed to add it to the back of the pumpkin, and I'm going to use some large wood screws and countersink them. So now I'm just drilling a couple of pilot holes, and then I'm going to countersink them with this larger drill bit by about 1 centimetre down into the wood. And again I'm going to add some glue. I now wanted to add a bit of detail to the pumpkin, some grooves going around the pumpkin, so I'm just lightly sketching out some lines here with a pencil. And then I used a brown colour just to paint in these details. And the same on the stalk. I now needed to fix the cat to the pumpkin, so I clamped it up. And then drove a few screws through the back into the cat so that no screws would be visible from the front. And just for a finishing touch, I'm going to add some glitter, some black glitter paint to the cat and some gold glitter paint to the pumpkin. And that was it, all finished. So that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, happy Halloween. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.